There is nothing more unpleasant and uncomfortable situations when you are talking to someone with bad breath. Most of the people grab a mint or a piece of gum to quickly mask the problem. But this approach often fails to address the root causes of bad breath. The reality is, bad breath can be caused by some health conditions, foods, and even habits. Regular brushing your teeth, as well as flossing and swishing, are the first thing to start when addressing bad breath issues. But if the problem persists beyond all this, you really need some extra care. Here Natural Cure's Secret presents 5 natural ways to treat bad breath from inside. Don't forget to subscribe and stay with us. How to get rid of bad breath permanently. Drink more water. Chronic dry mouth condition is one of the main causes of bad breath. Dry mouth is caused by the decomposition of dead cells in your mouth and on your tongue, which results in an unpleasant odor. So, in order for your body to produce enough bacteria-fighting saliva, you must be drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Zinc deficiency. Another common cause of halitosis is a deficiency in the mineral zinc, which helps maintain a clean bacteria-free mouth. The mineral is antimicrobial, and aids in the neutralization and elimination of harmful germs. Eating more zinc-rich foods like pumpkin seeds, cacao, and organ meats can help address the problem systemically. Probiotics. Poor gut health is another common cause of bad breath. If your digestive tract is overloaded with built-up toxins, bad breath could merely be a side effect of another underlying problem. Eating more probiotic-rich foods may help your digestive processes run more smoothly. Raw foods. Eating raw vegetables and fruits can help scrape out the plaque buildups that are responsible for bad breath, as well as add an extra dose of immune-boosting nutrients to your diet. Use herbs daily. Stinging nettle tea is a powerful herb that has been shown to purify the blood and eliminate toxins from the body. It helps stimulate the lymphatic system, increase the excretion of uric acid through the kidneys, and boost adrenal function, all of which target halitosis at its root. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it for your healthy lifestyle collection. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.